Hey guys, today we are detailing a JL Wrangler Unlimited, giving it the works. We're going to do an interior detail, exterior detail, and ceramic coating. Come on, let's take a look at it. Hi, I'm Dave with My Baby Detailing, and this is the JL Wrangler we're going to be giving the works to today. So we're doing an exterior detail and then a preparation for a ceramic coating. We're also going to give it an interior detail. Now this Jeep is not just a mall crawler. This thing sees some off-road duty. You can see the winch on the front. You can see the badges of honor on the side. This gets used as a Jeep is intended. So we'll talk about a little of the things we're going to do to make this Jeep really shine. As I mentioned earlier, this Jeep, it's no mall crawler. It does some serious wheeling. Check this out. So we just finished the exterior detail, including the clay bar, the iron decontamination. So now it's all ready for the ceramic coating. But before we get to that, it's time to do some interior work. As you can see, this Jeep got seriously dirty, and we did an amazing job cleaning it up. So stick around to the end of the video to see how this Jeep turned out. Now that the interior is done, on to the final step of the ceramic coating. So we're finishing up the ceramic coating. It's the last step. It's going to be left overnight to cure. In the morning, we'll do a final quality control check, and the customer is going to be ready to rock and roll. All right, so here we are the next morning. Ceramic coat completely cured out. Absolutely super slick, hydrophobic. We've done some quality control checks. We've also gone over all of the hard plastics, hit them with a Geon Preserve. Some of them were kind of gray, faded out looking. Now you can see we've got a nice rich black. Ceramic coats applied, exterior details done, interior details done. This Jeep's ready to go and do some more off-roading, wheeling, getting muddy, so we can bring it back and do it all again. Now it's time to see the finished results. Before we look, if you happen to have a Jeep, Bronco, other off-road vehicle that needs cleaned up, put the comments down below, give us a call. We can do this kind of a transformation for your vehicle as well.